For some of you, you may recognize this view. This is somewhat of a similar view that you guys have been seeing for many years on my other channel, of which I review video games, movies, electronics, things of that nature. So let's get into it. I'm going to review these two Ikea pillows. I'll just really be focusing on the big one here, or the one with more stuffing. But you have nice furry top here. It's very comfortable to lay on, especially in the wintertime. And in the summertime it can get a little bit hot, but I don't really lay on this side all that much in the summertime. Excuse me. So here's the other side here. This side is comfortable as well. Very nice pillow, 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. This is the Lisan pillow. I gather that's what they're calling it, based upon the name given above the dimensions of the pillow on the tag, which is located inside the pillow. Here's the second pillow over here. Just has less stuffing, same style, same feel and everything. And I'll be stuffing that pillow a little bit later, or stuffing more. I just wanted to say this video, amongst maybe a few others, might be the last videos I'll be filming in this house. I'll be moving within a month or two, maybe a little bit longer, maybe in 2 or 3 months, possibly the next month. So yeah, we'll have to see about that. But I will have internet at this other place that I'm gonna go live. The room will be smaller, unfortunately. But that'll change. We'll be moving into a bigger room. I don't know when, but that may take a year or two to happen. We'll have to see. But back to the review. I highly recommend these. They're very much affordable. I think it was two pillows for $20 plus tax. Yeah, you just can't go wrong with these. And they have a variety of pillows for sale. Pillows in this size, bigger, smaller, different coverings to it. Other than this one, there's a multitude of colors and styles and stuff. It was really, really cool. There was some with a retro look. I almost got that, but in the end decided not to. And it's not because I didn't like it. It's just really not my thing right now. Didn't fit the sheets on this bed and the top sheet. But yeah, good quality materials. This is made in China, but it looks like it's gonna hold up for a while. If not, I have my gold pillows as a backup, which I've had for over 10 years now. Yeah, pick these up at Ikea if you can find them. Well, that is my review, guys. If you like what I have to offer on this channel, click that like button and subscribe button. It lets me know you guys enjoy this type of content, and it will encourage me to make more and come up with new video ideas for the channel. So I thank you again for watching.